In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an IAM user in AWS. Whether you're new to AWS or looking to streamline your user management, this tutorial will provide you with everything you need to know. First off, let's navigate to the IAM section of the AWS Management Console. You'll want to start by heading to the search bar located right at the top of your screen. In that search bar, type in IAM. As you begin typing, you should see a drop-down list appear. From this list, select IAM, which is labeled as Manage Access to AWS Resources. This will take you directly to the IAM dashboard, a crucial hub for managing access and permissions within your AWS account. Now that we're on the IAM dashboard, you'll see a navigation sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This sidebar is your gateway to a variety of IAM features. From here, click on the option labeled Users. This is where all existing users are listed, and it's also where we'll create a new user. Once you've clicked on Users, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a prominent orange button that says Create User. Go ahead and click that button. This action will begin the process of setting up a new IAM user, allowing you to define specific access and permissions tailored to your needs. Moving on to specifying user details and access type, this is where you'll define the username for your new IAM user. Choose a name that is clear and descriptive, as this will help you easily identify the user later on. Next, decide on the type of access you want to grant this user. You typically have two options here: programmatic access, which allows API, CLI, SDK, and other development tools access, and AWS Management Console access, which permits access through the AWS website. You can select one or both of these options depending on what the user requires. With user details set, it's time to configure permissions. AWS offers several ways to set permissions, but the most straightforward method is to use existing policies or groups. You can attach existing policies directly to the user or add them to a group that has the appropriate permissions. Groups are particularly useful if you need to manage multiple users who require the same set of permissions. This step is crucial because permissions define what actions your user can perform and which resources they can access. After setting up permissions, review everything to ensure accuracy. This is your opportunity to double-check all the details and make sure everything is set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click on the Create User button. This final action saves all your configurations and adds the new user to your IAM dashboard. Congratulations! You've now successfully created an IAM user in AWS. Remember, managing users effectively is key to maintaining security and efficiency in your AWS environment. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're providing the right level of access to the right people, safeguarding your resources while enabling productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.